In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add multiple dates as pages in Notion. The easiest way to create separate pages for different days is to use a database in Calendar view. In Notion, every calendar item is a page, which makes this perfect for daily logs, planning, or tracking work across a week. Start by going to the area in Notion where you want this calendar to live. Create a new database. Then click into the database name field and type a clear title, like Daily Log or Schedule. Choosing a specific name now helps later when you search for the database or reuse it in other pages. Next, set the database view to Calendar. Once you select Calendar, Notion will generate a calendar layout tied to a date property. If you already have entries, you may see them placed on their assigned dates. If it is brand new, you will see an empty month view, ready for you to add pages. Now you will add multiple dates by creating a page on each day you want. Move your mouse over a date on the calendar. When you hover, a small plus icon appears on that day. Click that plus icon to create a new page for that specific date. Notion automatically assigns the date for you, so you do not need to type the date manually. After the page is created, click into the new item and type a title. Keep titles consistent, like Daily Notes or Day Plan, because it makes the calendar easier to scan. Then repeat the same process for the next date. Hover over the day, click the plus icon, and name the new page. Continue doing this for each additional date you want to add as its own page. As you build out multiple days, it helps to stay in the same month view so you can visually confirm that every date you need has a page. If you accidentally create an item on the wrong day, you can drag it to the correct date directly on the calendar. Finally, when you are done creating your dated pages, switch the view back to Table. This gives you a clean list of all the pages you just made, along with their dates, which is useful for sorting, filtering, or quickly opening entries in order. That covers everything you need to know.